Did you know a certain species of octopus can change its skin color and texture in less than a second? This is just one example of the bizarre behaviors animals exhibit in their unseen world. Stay tuned as we dive into the top 10 most bizarre animal behaviors you've probably never heard of. Starting off our list at number 10, we have the mimic octopus. This fascinating creature is a master of disguise, but it goes beyond simply changing color. Oh no, the mimic octopus takes it a step further. It has the unique ability to change its shape to mimic other sea creatures, all in a bid to evade its predators. Imagine being able to become anyone or anything. The mimic octopus lives this reality. It can transform into a flatfish, a lionfish, or even a sea snake, all depending on what danger it faces. If it encounters a predator that fears the venomous sting of a lionfish, it becomes one. If it needs to hide in plain sight, it turns into a flatfish, blending seamlessly with the ocean floor. It's a game of survival, and the mimic octopus is winning. With its dramatic shape-shifting, the mimic octopus has truly mastered the art of deception. At number 9, we're stepping away from the ocean and into the creepy world of insects with the zombie ant fungus. Picture this. A small, unsuspecting ant goes about its daily routine. Suddenly, it is infected by a spore from a parasitic fungus called Ophiocordyceps unilateralis. This fungus slowly takes over the ant's brain, compelling it to behave in ways that are completely out of character. The infected ant leaves its colony, climbs to a high point, and latches itself onto a leaf or twig. This position is perfect for the fungus, which then kills the ant and uses its body as a platform to grow and release more spores. It's an ingenious, albeit gruesome, life cycle that ensures the fungus's survival and propagation. And to think, all this drama unfolds in the undergrowth, unseen by the naked eye. Truly a horror movie scenario in the insect world. Coming in at number 8, we have the immortal jellyfish. This remarkable creature, known scientifically as Turritopsis dohrnii, possesses an extraordinary ability that sets it apart from most other life forms on Earth. Instead of meeting an inevitable end, the immortal jellyfish can revert its cells back to their earliest form and grow anew. Imagine if you could transform back into a baby whenever you felt like it. That's essentially what this jellyfish does. It's a bit like hitting the reset button on life. When faced with stress or physical harm, it transforms its cells back into a polyp state, beginning its life cycle anew. This process of cellular transformation can theoretically go on indefinitely, bestowing upon the jellyfish a sort of biological immortality. Of course, it's not invincible. It can still be consumed by predators or succumb to disease. But in terms of natural aging, it simply doesn't exist for this jellyfish. While humans search for the fountain of youth, it seems the immortal jellyfish has already found it. At number 7, we introduce the fearless honey badger. This small creature might not seem imposing at first glance, but don't be fooled. The honey badger has a reputation that precedes it. It's considered the most fearless animal in the world. How so, you ask? Well, for starters, it has an incredible resistance to venom. Snake bites that would take down a much larger animal barely slow this little powerhouse. It can endure numerous bites during a battle only to sleep off the venom and wake up unscathed. But the honey badger's bravado doesn't stop there. Despite its size, it's known to chase away predators much larger than itself. Lions, hyenas, you name it. The honey badger doesn't back down. It's this unyielding courage that makes the honey badger a creature of legend in the animal kingdom. Small but mighty, the honey badger truly knows no fear. At number 6, we delve into the world of the pufferfish. This quirky character of the sea is no ordinary fish. It has a unique and rather bizarre trick up its sleeve. When faced with danger, the pufferfish can inflate its body to several times its normal size. It's like a tiny underwater balloon that suddenly expands, startling would-be predators and giving it a chance to make a quick getaway. But the pufferfish isn't just a master of disguise and distraction. It's also one of the most poisonous animals on the planet. The fish's skin and certain internal organs are laced with a potent neurotoxin known as tetrodotoxin. This poison is deadly to most other fish and can even be lethal to humans. It's a potent cocktail of defense mechanisms that ensure the survival of this small yet fascinating creature. Small and cute, but deadly. That's the pufferfish for you. Halfway through our list at number 5, we have the industrious leafcutter ant. These small creatures are an absolute marvel of the insect world. They might be minuscule in size, but they are incredibly strong. In fact, they can carry items up to 50 times their own body weight. Imagine if you could carry 50 times your own weight. That's like an average person carrying a couple of cars. But their strength is not the only thing that sets leafcutter ants apart. They are also exceptional farmers. Yes, you heard right, farmers. They cut leaves not to eat them directly, but to use them as a compost to grow a special type of fungus, which serves as their main source of food. This unique farming method is only seen in leafcutter ants, and it's what allows them to sustain their large colonies. Tiny but mighty, the leafcutter ant is a true testament to the power of teamwork. Making a big bang at number 4, we have the pistol shrimp. This tiny but mighty crustacean possesses an intriguing superpower. With a specialized claw that snaps shut at lightning speed, the pistol shrimp can fire off a bubble bullet. But this is no regular bubble. Oh no, this bubble is a superheated shock wave that reaches temperatures greater than the surface of the sun. Imagine that, a shrimp with a claw hotter than the sun. This fast and furious action also produces a loud bang, akin to a gunshot. That's right, a shrimp that sounds like a pistol. It's this unique ability that gives the pistol shrimp its name. The shrimp uses this bubble blast for hunting, stunning its prey in one swift, hot snap. So while it may be small in size, the pistol shrimp's impact is anything but. Small but loud, the pistol shrimp sure knows how to make an entrance. Flying in at number 3, we have the cunning cuckoo bird. Now this is a bird that's taken the phrase, "Why do it yourself when someone else can do it for you?" to a whole new level. The cuckoo bird is notorious for its sneaky habit of laying eggs in other birds' nests. Imagine that, tricking unsuspecting parents into raising its young. This clever tactic, known as brood parasitism, is a survival strategy that's as ingenious as it is underhanded. By depositing her eggs in another bird's nest, the female cuckoo ensures her offspring are cared for without lifting a single feather. This frees her up to potentially lay more eggs, thus increasing her chances of passing on her genes. Even more astounding is the fact that cuckoo chicks are able to mimic the begging calls of their host's offspring, further deceiving their foster parents. Talk about a master of disguise. Sneaky and smart, the cuckoo bird has truly mastered the art of deception. Sleeping its way to number 2, we have the hibernating bear. Now, we all love a good nap, but this bear takes it to a whole new level. Imagine, if you will, a sleep so deep, so profound, that it lasts for 6 whole months. That's right, for half a year the bear barely moves, its heart rate slows dramatically, and its metabolism drops to a crawl. Why, you might ask? Well, it's all about energy conservation. You see, during the bitter cold of winter, food becomes scarce. So instead of wasting energy searching for meals in the snow, the bear simply goes to sleep. It's a fascinating survival strategy that serves them well in the harsh wilderness. And here's something truly mind-boggling. Despite not eating, drinking, or even moving for months, the bear emerges from hibernation fit and healthy. Now, that's something we humans can only dream of. Who knew sleeping could be such a superpower? And finally, exploding its way to number 1, we have the bombardier beetle. This remarkable insect sets itself apart from the crowd with a truly explosive defense mechanism. When threatened, the bombardier beetle doesn't just run or hide. Oh no, it fights back in a way that's as dramatic as it is effective. Within the confines of its body, the beetle harbors a volatile mix of 2 chemicals. When danger looms, it brings these 2 substances together, triggering a reaction that's nothing short of astounding. The result is a hot, toxic chemical spray that the beetle shoots out with great force. Imagine being an unsuspecting predator, thinking you found an easy meal, only to be met with a scalding, poisonous jet of liquid. It's enough to make any would-be attacker think twice, isn't it? This unique and potent defense mechanism is a testament to the incredible adaptability found in the animal kingdom. With its surprising and explosive defense, the bombardier beetle tops our list of bizarre animal behaviors. And there you have it, the top 10 most bizarre animal behaviors. From the mimicry of the octopus to the immortality of the jellyfish, the animal kingdom is a treasure trove of surprises. Who said the animal kingdom was predictable? Stay curious, and you'll never cease to be amazed.